and welcome to Toyota. My name is Tom Fux and I'm Vice President of Toyota Motor Europe in charge of sales, marketing and value chain. Let me first make a special welcome to Hildegard Müller, President of VDA, who joins us this morning here. Today, we are thrilled to present our European commercial vehicle strategy and ambitions. Our global company vision of providing mobility solutions for every customer and leaving no one behind applies also to our commercial vehicles range. Indeed, I'm very pleased to announce that as of today, Toyota offers a full and electrified product range to meet every customer need. First, let's have a look at Toyota commercial vehicle business in Europe so far. Our history dates back to 60s, when we launched the legendary Hilux and Proace in Europe. Since then, they gained worldwide reputation for quality, durability, and reliability. Back in 2016, we entered into strategic partnership with Stellantis for commercial vehicles, starting with the Toyota Proace. Since then, we have enjoyed year-on-year growth in Europe, both in terms of sales and market share. We strengthened our product lineup with the Proace City at the end of 2019. And in 2021, we introduced Proace and Proace City Electric. Last year, we achieved a record sales of 140,000 units, representing a record market share of 5.7%. So far, we were covering the pickup, CDV and MDV segments with the Hilux, Proace City and Proace, which represented 70% of LCV market. However, Toyota was still missing the offer in the heavy-duty segment. This segment accounts for around 30% of LCV market. To answer the demand of our customers, we are now announcing a newcomer to our range. A completely new model for Toyota, the Proace Max. Proace Max completes our commercial offer, and with its wide range of body varieties, it provides many new business opportunities for us and our customers. Proace Max has been also shortlisted for 2025 International Van of the Year award. So how does this translate into our midterm ambitions? Well, we want Toyota Professional to become an even more credible LCV brand in Europe, and we are aiming for top 6 position by further growing our market share to 7% and reaching an annual sales of 180,000 units. To achieve this goal, we have developed Toyota LCV strategy based on 4 pillars. We will offer a strong and competitive product range. We will take care of our customers every step on the way. We will provide market-leading commercial vehicle services and expertise, and we will roll out dedicated Toyota Professional centers across Europe to provide the right customer journey. Thanks to the new Proace Max, our Toyota Professional lineup is now complete, allowing us to offer a full product range to our customers. Toyota Professional is more than just a vehicle. Customers choosing Toyota Professional enjoy a wide range of products and services, including Toyota Relax warranty service. Whenever their vehicle is serviced at an authorized Toyota retailer, customers obtain a new warranty for 1 additional year, up to 10 years or 180,000 kilometers. Here in Germany, we extend the warranty even up to 15 years. We also plan to minimize vehicle downtime, offering the express service, performing regular maintenance with 2 expert technicians. And of course, on top of these programs, we are also offering tailor-made financial services and products provided by Kinto, Toyota Financial Services, and Toyota Insurance Services, also present here today on this stand. To secure the right and consistent expertise, we have developed a pan-European training for LCV sales and after-sales experts. With our complete lineup, we also benefit from new conversion business opportunities. In line with our Mobility for All promise, we have developed a wheelchair-accessible vehicle conversion for Proace Verso. And today, as a European premiere, we have showcased a wheelchair-accessible concept for CDV segment as well. We will have the right products, the right services, and the right people, but also the right place with our Toyota Professional Centers to meet every customer needs. Our Toyota Professional Centers will get a brand new distinctive look, and by the end of 2025, we're planning to reach 500 Toyota Professional Centers around Europe. At Toyota, we believe in the power of our multi-path strategy toward carbon neutrality, including for our commercial vehicle range. Specifically of interest for fleet customers, we offer a wide range of internal combustion engines, mild hybrids, and battery electric vehicles. With the battery electric vehicle sales mix of 10%, we are already top performing brand in Europe, outperforming the market overall. But of course, our ambition is to further increase the mix of zero-emission vehicles by further working with our customers to define the next generation product solutions. As possible next step, we have recently presented battery electric and fuel cell electric prototypes of iconic Hilux. I believe the fuel cell variant is of key interest in Europe, particularly as we are also looking at solutions in the medium and heavy-duty truck market. To tell us more about our fuel cell strategy, I would like to invite Yasui-san on stage. Thank you.
Thank you, Tom-san. Good morning, everyone. My name is Shinichi Yasui. I'm an Executive Vice President of Toyota Motor Europe and a Chief Project Leader of Hydrogen Factory. Today, I'd like to explain hydrogen-related activity in Toyota. Indeed, we strongly believe that hydrogen fuel cell technology is a great fit for LCVs, and we recently demonstrated it in the Hilux at the Olympic Games. In fact, in Paris, we showed how hydrogen can be used for many applications, all of which can support a local hydrogen cluster, which in turn create demand and reduce cost. This kind of cluster combines fuel cell use in cars, taxis, buses, trucks, and even boats on the river. This supports our image that carbon is our enemy, and we should use all technology and a wide range of applications to fight it by multi-pathway approach. Our goal is to reduce carbon emissions as much as possible, as soon as possible, everywhere in the world. And not just for light-duty truck. We believe fuel cell technology is a very good fit for medium and heavy-duty transportation solution. Let me explain briefly. The wider use of hydrogen as an energy carrier is coming quickly. Recently, the EU President reconfirmed that hydrogen for carbon reduction is critical for Europe to achieve its climate goal. To support this ambition, the EU and its member states have a wide-reaching framework in place. The Renewable Energy Directive mandate that 42% of industry hydrogen must come from renewable by 2030 and 60% by 2035. At the same time, there is an EU regulation to stimulate the development of a hydrogen refueling infrastructure. This means there will be a hydrogen station every 200 kilometers along the Trans-European transport network by the end of this decade. The point is that green hydrogen is going to be widely available across Europe by 2030. Things are moving. At the same time, Toyota is not standing still. We believe that today we already have industry-leading hydrogen fuel cell technology. However, we have already announced our third generation technology, which will further improve efficiency by around 20% and reduce the cost of the FC stack by up to 50%. The launch of this latest technology will coincide with new infrastructure and green hydrogen development I just mentioned. This will give an increasing number of transportation companies a practical and affordable way to reduce their carbon footprint. With our partner, we have already created a wide range of applications, including bus, boat, train, and stationary power generators. However, being here in Hanover, I want to highlight the importance of fuel cell for medium and heavy-duty truck. Truck companies are facing strict CO2 reduction target toward 2030. This requires them to develop practical and reliable zero-emission solutions. This is a key reason why we took trucks very much into account when developing our third generation fuel cell technology. As a result, not only the efficiency increase and the cost reduction, but the durability will improve significantly. Our door remains open to new partners in Europe and beyond, and we are looking forward to a wide range of fuel cell applications across the whole industry. Let me end by saying the future is something we all create together. So let's work together to reduce carbon emissions as much as possible and as soon as possible in the transportation sector. Thank you very much.